इधर आ, तेरे से कुछ बात करनी है।
What the fuck are you doing? What are you afraid of? You are not reading your books, you are not doing your work. कुछ नहीं. I just want to leave everything. But why? Bro, actually, everyone is living their life to the fullest. They have good partners, friends, and I'm stuck in limited things. मैं भी उनकी तरह जीना चाहता हूँ. अब और मुझसे नहीं होगा. Oh, this is the problem. हाँ, और मैं कुछ भी सही नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ. कुछ भी परफेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है. So who said it has to be perfect? It's about learning, not perfection. मुझे तो तेरे जैसी इंग्लिश भी नहीं आती, और मैं तो तेरे जैसे चीजों को जल्दी सीख भी नहीं पाता हूँ. और तू तो खुद को हर सिचुएशन में संभाल लेता है ना, लेकिन मैं I learn quickly because I don't feel down like you when I do mistakes. I do mistakes more than you, but I don't afraid of them. Why do you try to be like everyone else, even though you know that your dreams are different from everyone else? Why? अब तो मुझे मेरी राइटिंग से भी डर लगता है. इसलिए मैं लिखकर भी सब कुछ छुपा देता हूँ. बाहर लोग मेरे से तो बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं. It's not. Why are you comparing yourself with others? You know, we write what we feel. Everything is real. It's not about being better than others. Bro, you know what is problem? The problem is that you are stuck in your limited things and your comfort zone. You have got good rank, decent university, and you think you got everything. So you don't move forward from there. नहीं bro, मैं वो सब कुछ पाना चाहता हूँ. Understand me. Exactly. The only difference between you and me is that you want to have it and I want to do it. हाँ, मैं वो सब कुछ पाना चाहता हूँ, लेकिन मैं तेरी तरह बिना रिवार्ड के काम नहीं कर सकता. और तू और तू भी तो ये सब रिवार्ड के लिए ही कर रहा है ना. Bro, I never thought you would think that. Are you really doing all that for money? नहीं ब्रो, मैं ये सब कुछ पैसों के लिए नहीं कर रहा हूँ. लेकिन मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है. Even today, I remember that day when you were running here and there for small things, and there was no one with you. But still, you were doing it alone like a mad person. You were crying, but you were doing it without any fear. You had passion inside you. Even then, you had nothing. Even then, there was no one with you. But now, हाँ मैं बदल गया हूँ एंड आई थिंक आई एम चेजिंग माई पीस और अब मैं तेरे से बहुत पीछे रह गया यू डोंट इवन रिलेट टू मी एनीमोर अब तुझे मेरी जरूरत नहीं है तू बहुत आगे चला गया हेलो तेरी भूख खत्म हो रही है तेरे अंदर वो पैशन नहीं दिखता पहले वाला What did you promise to yourself when you were a child कि जब बड़ा होऊंगा तब ये कर लूंगा वो कर लूंगा किताबें लिखूंगा इस किताब में नाम आएगा Where is all that? You forgot all your fucking dreams. I never expect from you. अब तुझे मेरी जरूरत नहीं है तू बहुत आगे चला गया But bro, this is the time I need you the most. Problem is that you don't want to move forward from your place and I can't move forward without you.